This is a problem almost everyone has experienced. When you're about to shave your mustache or beard, you suddenly realize that the razor at home is no longer usable. It's dull and completely ineffective. Instead of giving you a clean shave, it becomes painful and frustrating. The hair doesn't get cut, it gets pulled and trapped between the blades, turning a simple shave into an uncomfortable experience. If you're experiencing the same problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to properly sharpen your mustache and beard razor, using simple materials that are easy to find at home. Make sure to watch until the end. Here I have several razors. The blue one is a brand new razor I just bought for $2. Now imagine this. If you buy a $2 razor every 3 days, you could end up spending around $20 a month on razors alone. Starting today, stop wasting your money, because in just a moment, this yellow razor will be as sharp as a brand new one, using a simple method you can do at home. Alright, now I'll show you how to sharpen this razor in a very short time. First, prepare a simple item you can easily find at home: toothpaste. You can use any type of toothpaste, there's no need for a specific brand. Next, prepare a small amount of water. And one more essential item that plays a key role in this method: a leather belt. This leather belt will be used to sharpen a dull razor. Not just any belt. Use a leather belt for better control and effectiveness. Now, it's time to sharpen this extremely dull razor. First, apply a small amount of toothpaste to the razor blade. What you need to know is that toothpaste contains fine abrasive particles, such as silica or calcium carbonate, which gently polish the surface. These particles help restore the edge of the blade, making the sharpening process faster, safer, and more effective. And don't forget to add a small amount of water to make the sharpening process easier. Spread the toothpaste evenly across the entire blade edge, because this step is crucial to ensure even sharpening and achieve much better results. Add a small amount of water to the surface of the belt. This step is important to prevent the belt from being damaged when it comes into contact with the razor blade. Next, begin the sharpening process by pushing the blade forward. Avoid pulling it backward, as this can damage the belt and reduce the effectiveness of the sharpening. Make sure each stroke is done by pushing forward slowly and steadily. Perform this process carefully and consistently, as it plays a crucial role in the final sharpening result. Do not rush, work slowly and in a controlled manner to achieve the best possible outcome. You can perform around 30 to 50 strokes for better sharpening results. However, keep in mind that every razor blade has a different characteristic. This number is not a fixed rule, so adjust the process until the blade feels sharp again. Once the sharpening process is complete, the next step is to rinse the razor to remove any remaining toothpaste residue from the blade surface. Once it's completely clean, dry the razor using a small towel. Now, the razor is ready to be used. Let's test the sharpening results using this simple method. As you can see, the razor that was previously unusable is now sharp again and working properly, making it easy and comfortable to shave your mustache.